Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of DDR4 RAM to showcase the top 5 best options available on the market right now. Whether you're upgrading your gaming PC, building a workstation, or simply improving your system's performance, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below, so let's jump right into it. Coming in at number 5 is the premium Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM 64GB kit. This is an absolute powerhouse, packing 64GB of memory in a 2x32GB configuration with a speed of 3200 MHz and a low CAS latency of CL16 20/20/38. This RAM is ideal for demanding workloads like 4K video editing, large-scale simulations, and advanced gaming setups. The hand-sorted memory chips ensure high performance with generous overclocking potential, while the aluminum heat spreader efficiently dissipates heat to keep everything running smoothly. The design is sleek and minimalistic, with a low-profile height of 34 mm that fits perfectly in compact builds. While the lack of RGB lighting might disappoint some enthusiasts, this kit is all about function over form. Performance-wise, it delivers rock-solid stability even under heavy loads, making it a favorite for professionals and hardcore gamers. It's optimized for Intel and AMD motherboards and supports Intel XMP 2.0 for an easy one-setting installation. Now, let's talk value. At $154.99, this RAM kit is the most expensive on our list. But for those who need the extra capacity for high-intensity applications, it's worth the investment. However, if you're not maxing out your system's capabilities, this may be overkill. Pros: exceptional performance and build quality. Cons: high price and no RGB lighting. Overall, if you need top-tier performance and capacity, this is the one for you. At number 4, we have the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 RAM, a stunning addition to any PC build. This 32GB kit, 2x16GB, runs at an impressive 3600 MHz with a CAS latency of CL18 to 22 to 42, delivering strong performance for gaming, multitasking, and creative workflows. What sets this RAM apart is the vibrant RGB lighting, featuring 10 ultra-bright, individually addressable LEDs per module. Pair it with Corsair iQ software, and you can synchronize the lighting with other compatible components for a cohesive look. The build quality is top-notch, with a built-in aluminum heat spreader that keeps temperatures in check even during overclocking. It's compatible with Intel and AMD motherboards, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of systems. Performance-wise, it provides stable operation and excellent responsiveness, ideal for gaming and streaming setups. The RGB lighting doesn't just look good, it's functional too, allowing you to monitor temperatures and create personalized profiles. Priced at $103.99, this RAM strikes a great balance between aesthetics and performance. It's not the cheapest option on our list, but if you're looking for a combination of speed, stability, and eye-catching design, it's hard to beat. Pros include strong performance, customizable RGB lighting, and excellent compatibility. The cons? Slightly higher latency compared to non-RGB models, and no support for ultra-high overclocking. Overall, this is the perfect RAM for gamers who want style and substance. Taking the number 3 spot is the Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM 32GB kit, offering a sweet spot between performance and value. This 2x16GB configuration runs at a blazing 3600 MHz with a CAS latency of CL18 22/22/42, making it perfect for gaming, video editing, and other high-intensity tasks. Like other Vengeance LPX models, this RAM features hand-sorted memory chips for reliable performance and overclocking headroom. The aluminum heat spreader keeps the modules cool, ensuring stable operation over prolonged use. The design is understated yet practical, with a low-profile height that fits snugly into most small form-factor builds. While it doesn't feature RGB lighting, it compensates with a focus on functionality and durability. In terms of performance, it delivers excellent speed and responsiveness, particularly for systems with Intel or AMD motherboards. Whether you're building a gaming rig or upgrading a workstation, this RAM can handle heavy workloads with ease. Priced at $77.99, it offers fantastic value for the performance you're getting. It's slightly more expensive than the budget option, but delivers faster speeds, making it a worthwhile upgrade. Pros include high speed, stable performance, and compact design. Cons: no RGB lighting and slightly higher latency compared to lower speed models. Overall, this RAM is a solid choice for gamers and power users looking to balance cost and capability. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM 32GB kit, an exceptional budget-friendly choice that doesn't compromise on performance. This 2x16GB configuration runs at 3200 MHz with a CAS latency of CL16 20/2038, offering solid speed and responsiveness for gaming, multitasking, and everyday computing. Its hand-sorted memory chips ensure stability and overclocking potential, while the aluminum heat spreader keeps temperatures under control even during heavy use. The design is clean and compact, with a low-profile height of just 34 mm, making it suitable for smaller builds. While it lacks RGB lighting, it's available in multiple colors to match your system's aesthetic. Performance-wise, it delivers reliable operation across Intel and AMD motherboards, and supports Intel XNP 2.0 for quick setup. Despite being the most affordable RAM on this list, it holds its own against more expensive models, making it a fantastic choice for budget-conscious gamers and builders. At just $71, this RAM offers unbeatable value for money. Pros include excellent performance, compact design, and compatibility with a wide range of systems. The cons: no RGB lighting and limited overclocking headroom compared to higher speed models. Overall, this is the perfect choice for anyone looking to upgrade their system on a budget without sacrificing quality or performance. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect DDR4 RAM for your setup. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Got questions about these products? Drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.